Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine and welcome back to another of my videos, and this time we are gonna talk about Shopify. So basically by the end of this small tutorial, you guys will have absolutely everything that you need to know to be able to work with Shopify. You'll know what is it exactly, how this works, and even own your very first online store. Great. So basically, what is Shopify? Shopify is simply a commerce platform. So it's a platform where you can create your own online stores. So it could be, when I'm talking about stores, you can sell products on it. So it could be your own product that you own, that you will ship directly to your clients. It could be products that you don't own personally. So in this case, it would be drop shipping. And this is what we are going to create today. So it's going to be a basic drop shipping store. It could be services, so you can sell your services. For example, it could be online services or in-person services. So once again, you manage everything. It could be digital products, so it could be courses. If you sell online courses, you have different platforms. Well, Shopify could be a way for you guys to sell courses. Not only courses, but also online products. So digital products, you can sell many digital products on Shopify. You have a plugin that you can use to sell digital products. My goal today is really, as I said, to create a store with you guys, and as well as having a small introduction to dropshipping, because the store that we are going to create today will be a basic dropshipping store. So once again, my goal is really not to make a long video, is to make something very short, but that will give you the maximum knowledge possible. So let's not wait anymore and let's jump right into it. Great, so let's jump in our store creation part. Basically, the first thing that I'll ask you guys to do so you will be able to start creating your store is simply go under this video and you'll see there is a link, Shopify. So you'll see Shopify in big letters and you'll see a link. So simply click on this link and from there, the link will bring you to this page. So basically, the page should look something like this, sell online with Shopify and everything. So what you want to do is simply go down there and click on start free trial. Right here, simply enter your email address, the password that you want for your account, and your store name. Once again, your store name, you can change it a bit later. So this is the first form that you guys will have to fill. When it's done, you will have to fill another form. But once again, it's not very hard to do. Great. So basically, when all the forms are done, you should be on a page that looks something like this. In this case, I created the store just to show you a demo of Shopify and creating our store. So basically, your free trial should give you access to this. This is the main page that you guys should have access. It's the home page. So basically, it's gonna be you will have access to the home page or the online store page. But before starting the store creation part, I'm gonna give you a small introduction to the platform in itself, so you guys will be able to navigate through it and understand exactly what is in the platform. All right. So your menu right here, you have your home. So this is the home. Then you have your orders. Orders will be all the orders. Let's say someone orders something from you or whatever, it's all gonna be stored right here. So right now you can create it manually, but usually when someone buys something, it's gonna automatically be stored in your orders. Then you have a product. So let's say once again right here we don't have no products, but when we are gonna add products in this tutorial, it's all gonna be stored right here. So basically, the product can be added manually. So you can, let's say for example, if you have a product that you want to sell, you can add it manually to your online store. So you can add it directly here. Or if you are doing drop shipping, so in our case, we are gonna drop ship products. We will use an app. This app is called Oberlo, for those who know what this app is. We are gonna use this app to be able to add products to our store, and it's all gonna be done manually. So after that, you can modify everything. Don't worry about this, but you will be able to import everything from Aliexpress to your store. All right. Then everything. Well, you have the collection part. Very important to understand in Shopify. You have two things. You have the product and you have the collection. Basically, the difference between a product and a collection is very simple. The product is, let's say, a jeans. So let's say you have a jeans, you have a sweatpants, you have jogging. So that's, let's say, the product. So one jeans, one sweatpants. But the collection will be pants. So the pants are the collection, but the product in itself is a product in Shopify. So let's say in this case, our collection will be, I don't know, t-shirts. Well, you will have a blue t-shirt that will be your product. You will have a red t-shirt that will be your product, and all this kind of stuff. So this is very important to understand in Shopify. You'll see we are gonna create collections for our product, the products that we will import, and we are gonna have products as well. Great, so this is for the collections and for products. You can also have gift cards on your Shopify store, which is really, really cool. You can sell gift cards, but once again, you have some features that you can't use depending of your Shopify membership. I don't remember all the features that you guys can or can't use, but just to tell you that you can sell gift cards in the case that you guys want to sell gift cards. After that, all your consumers, so let's say someone's buying your product or whatever, and you have their email address, everything, their name, email address, and everything will be stored here. So right now, once again, there is absolutely nothing, but it will be stored in your consumer, in your consumer menu. If you have already a list, so a consumer's list, you can directly import it. So very simple, you can just click here and you will be able to import your consumer's list. Another cool thing about Shopify that I like a lot is their analytics. They're very, very completed. So all the sales that you make, what is the average order that you guys can have on your Shopify store, the conversion rate, absolutely everything is right here. Let's say, for example, you can even have a live view on your on the people that are looking at your store. For example, me, I'm right here in Canada. As you can see, for example, there is people who are looking at your store. You can see from where people are looking at your store in real time. This is really, really cool. You have many types of reports as well. So for your monthly sales, the profit margin that you make on your products, and everything, which is really, really cool. For marketing, you can make, what's cool about Shopify is that you can send emails, you can have email marketing. It's very, very developed. There's a lot of other things that you can do. You can make your marketing on Facebook and you can link it directly to Shopify. You can sell directly through Facebook and link it directly to Shopify. You can sell on Instagram. You can do all this together and link everything to Shopify as well. After that, you can offer discounts to your consumers. So let's create a discount once again, just to show you what it looks like. So let's say we want to create a discount code that will be called disc. So from here, you decide what type of discount you want to make. So it can be a fixed amount, it can be a percentage, it could be free shipping. It could be, let's say you buy a product, you get another product free. So everything is here and it's very, very easy to set up. So let's say, for example, I want to create a 20% discount right here, and it applies to, well, a complete order. It could be a collection, it could be a simple product. As you can see, it's very, very complete. And once again, it's really, really cool. Another thing that I like a lot about Shopify is their app store. So the app store of Shopify is like, let's say, for example, a app store on Apple. Once again, those are add-ons that you can make to your store. So this way you will be able to, to have a better store, to have a more beautiful store that is more, for the eye, that is more beautiful for the eye. So this is for the menu right here. We're gonna talk a bit later in this tutorial about the App Store, since we'll visit it to add our first app, which is Oberlo. But for now, let's take a look at our online store and what it all looks like. So basically, your online store will be here. So right now you have your online store that is right here. And if you wanna, for example, customize it or just look at what it looks like, you will simply click on the button right here. Right, so basically the page that you guys can see here is the page that you will use to be able to create, your store in general. So what we are going to talk about today is really about the menu of this page and the page as well. So what exactly is here and how you can modify it and everything you can do on this page. So basically this is your home page. So this is where you will have, your home page. You will have all your collections here. So right now we only have one collection, which is catalog, but you'll have all your collections up there. So you can have, for example, your pants, your sweaters, your t-shirts or anything else. Everything's gonna be here. And to modify all this, if you wanna be able to modify it, it's very simple. It's gonna be with the menu right here. So the first thing that we will talk about is the sections. So for example, right there, you have many sections that you can add or delete from this page. So each of those things that you see here, for example, here you can have an image, here you have products. Each of those things is a section. So let's say, for example, I want to take this section and move it up. Well, I simply take it right here and I can drag it up there or just move it. If, for example, I want to add pictures, I can, it's very simple. So simply click on the section and then you can click on select image. What's cool with Shopify is that Shopify offers you the opportunity to have, well, pictures, free pictures. So if you want to have free pictures with Shopify, you can do it. You have a lot of free pictures here. If you need other free pictures, you can use another place that is called Pexel. So Pexel gives you videos that are free or pictures that are free. So there is no royalties that you guys have to pay to use those pictures. So in our case, what we want to create, so me right now, my store is named 101 Backpack. So I want to create a backpack store. So I'm going to look for a picture of a backpack. So, okay, right here I have a picture of a backpack. So let's say, for example, I'm taking this picture right here. I'm simply clicking on it. I'm clicking on select. And as you can see, it's just there. So from here, what I want to do is I want to save everything. Then I want to create, let's say I want to add a text. So in this case, I want to write down, let's say, backpack. And here you can write some little text. So in this case, the most comfortable backpack. Great. So once again, as I said, we are creating a very, very basic Shopify store. So that's exactly what we are doing. So as you can see here, you have your backpack, the most comfortable backpack. So we have a picture. So we save everything. Very important to save, because if you don't save, well, what's going to happen is that you will lose absolutely everything. When it's all done, what we want to do besides of that, we want to add another picture down here. So let's say, for example, we want to have our featured collection, then have our pictures. So in this case, we'll have products right there, and we'll have a small place right here where we will ask our consumer. We are gonna talk about our brand there. So let's come here, select another picture. Once again, we'll do the same thing. So we'll write down backpack. And let's say we choose, I don't know, this pic right here. Click on select. When it's all done, simply click on save. All right, and then you can describe, so here you'll write down the description of your business. Great. So when it's all done, simply click on save. Me personally, when I create stores, I don't have a lot of sections on my front page. So I only keep a picture right here, featured collections, and finally the description. So when it's all done, you can simply delete the slideshow. If, for example, you want to have a slideshow instead of a picture, you can do it. But me personally, I prefer just having a picture. So when it's all done, you can just remove the sections that you don't need anymore. After that, the next thing is adding your logo. So let's say, for example, you guys have a logo and you want to add it here. In this case, in my case, I don't have a logo, so I'm just writing down 101 Backpack, but it's gonna be in the header. So the header is right here. So once again, if I need a logo, it's gonna be here. So I simply click on select image, and I will need to upload a picture, my logo picture, and I will add it there. Same thing for my footer. So my footer right here is my menu that is down here. And I select what I want to put in it. So for example, if I want to have a newsletter, I can have a newsletter. As you can see here, I have a newsletter. I can have search links. I can add sections. But in this case, I like the way that it is. So we'll keep it this way. All right. So when it's all done, simply click on save. So as you can see, it's very, very simple to use. If you guys want to look what it looks like on a computer on full screen, it's going to look something like this. So your store is already presentable. If you want to look what it looks like on a mobile, it's going to be something that looks like this. All right. Next thing that we want to do is add, not adding products, but adding collections. So in this case, what we want to do is just go here. So we're going to talk about this menu at first. So first of all, you can add blog posts in the case that you guys want to create blogs. It works the exact same way as when you create products. So you create blogs and you can store your blogs on your website. Your navigation. So this is where exactly we will, well, for example, you have a collection, you have products, it's all gonna be here. So if, for example, you want to add a menu, so right here, you will be able to, for example, add items. So let's say you have a collection or whatever you guys have, you can add it in navigation. So we are gonna do it a bit later in the course. When you want to buy a domain, so let's say, for example, right here, my domain is 101backpack, my.myshopify.com. And if you want to buy a domain, it's gonna be here. So let's say I want to buy a domain, and I want to name it backpack. So the prices will be right here. So in this case, backpack.store will cost me $19 per year, but those ones right here are not available. I can have many others domain right here. So as you can see, it's not very hard to understand. So this is for the basics. Right now, the next thing that we want to do is create a collection for our products and go and visit the App Store as well. Alright, so as I said, we'll start by creating products right now, well, collections and then products. So we simply click on product right here. And the first thing that we want to do is simply create a collection for our products. So simply click on the collection down below. Right now, the only collection that we have is the homepage collection. So in this case, the homepage collection is the featured collection that we had on our first page. And what we want to do is simply create another collection. So in our case, we are creating backpacks. So we'll create a collection that will be called backpacks. So here we'll have backpacks. And what we'll do, we'll simply import products from Aliexpress directly to this collection. So the type of import is going to be done manually. And then simply click on save. So we don't have an image for our collection for the moment, but you'll see how it all works. So right now we have our first collection. This is the only thing that we need for now. Now it's time to put products inside of our collection and put those products as well on our homepage. But before that, we'll just modify our navigation. So this way we'll have our collection featured on our header of our page. So we'll go on our navigation right here. So inside of our main menu, what we want to do, we simply want to add our collection. In this case, our collection is, as we said, backpacks. So we'll call it backpacks. And the link will be inside of our collections right here. So we have backpacks and homepage. We want to add backpacks right here. When it's all done, simply click on add and click on save menu. So what just happened right now, if we go on our online store and click on customize, you will see that up there we have our home, our catalog, and our backpacks that are up there. So we just modified our header menu and we added our new collection. So this is the way that you guys can add a new collection. Same thing for blogs. If, for example, you have blog posts that you want to put on your header menu, you can do it the same way. But before that, you need to create your blogs. All right, so let's come back on our Shopify homepage. So from now, what we want to do is want to go on the App Store and download the app that I talked to you guys about before. So to import products from AliExpress, you guys need to use Oberlo. Oberlo is the most popular app to do this. There are other apps that will allow you to dropship, but once again, Oberlo is just the most easiest way to do it. So what you want to go do, guys, right now, you want to click on Oberlo right here and simply click on add app. So as you can see, it's gonna download a little bit. Click on install app and the app will be linked to your store. So it's like an add-on to your store. So as you can see from here, you will have your Oberlo dashboard. And this is what we will work right now. So as you can see, it's not very complicated until now. Okay, so to be able to work with Oberlo, basically what you need to install a Chrome extension that will allow you to import products from AliExpress. In this case, the Chrome extension will look something like this. As you can see here, I have my little Chrome extension, which is Oberlo. So very simple. What I'll ask you guys to do right now is simply open up Google Chrome and look for Oberlo Chrome extension. So it's gonna be the first one right here. So it's written right there, Oberlo AliExpress. So simply click on it. And what you wanna do, you just wanna click on add Chrome extension. So simply here you have remove. So you can just click on add the Chrome extension. When it's all done, you should have access to, well, you should have this Chrome extension right here, and you can import products directly from AliExpress. All right, so right now what we'll understand is how exactly works Oberlo. So it's very simple. When you import a product from AliExpress, it's gonna go directly to your import list. In this case, it's empty since I don't have no products. So you import products, they all go here, and then you can push them directly to your store. All the products that you have imported will be here. So here I have imported only one product, which is a backpack, and it's stored right there. All my orders will be processed through Shopify, but I will have to pass the order on Oberlo as well. So it's all gonna be here as well also. And yeah, so finally, that's how Oberlo works. As you can see, it's not very hard to understand. So let's try and import. Well, once again, if you want to import product, you can import them directly from Oberlo, but I prefer looking from AliExpress at first. So let's import products from AliExpress to our store. So we are gonna go on AliExpress right here. And well, this is not the main page. This will be the main page. But let's say you guys want to look for backpack. So in this case, we have backpack. So we'll write it down, backpack, and just click on enter. So what you'll see right here is a small logo of Oberlo each time that you go near a product. What I'll suggest you guys to do is import only products that have ePacket on them. So only products with ePacket. So here, for example, you have ePacket. Here, for example, you have ePacket. Why? It's because the shipping is usually free. And also, normally, the products arrive more fastly to your consumer. So another way that you guys can look for products, you want the highest quality possible. So always look for 4 stars and up. And what you want to look for as well is, as I said, products with ePacket. So let's say right now you guys want to import products to your store. What you want to do is simply click on the Oberlo logo. And what it's going to do, it's going to push the product directly to your Oberlo account. So as you can see, it's written here, product imported successfully. So I'm going to push some more products. As you can see here, I'm pushing more products. So I'm going to push, let's say, 5 or 6 products. All right, so I've pushed some products. Right now, what I want to do is I want to push those products to my store. So right now I'm here. I have my import list that is right there. So right there, I have my import list. If I want to change the title, I can change it here. But in the case of this small tutorial, I'm not gonna change the title. I'm gonna keep it as it is. We are gonna change it a bit later on Shopify. So here I have all my backpacks. And from now, if, for example, I want to, let's say, add those products directly to my store, what I want to do is simply click on Import to Store. So each time I click Import to Store, what it's going to do, it's going to import the product directly to the store with all the variants, with absolutely everything. So all the products have been imported to the store. What we want to do now, we want to come back to our Shopify store right here and look for our product. So we are going to come back on our products menu. And as you can see, all the products have been pushed. So everything is pushed. Let's say, for example, I'm clicking on one of those products right here. And as you can see, everything is pushed. So I have all the description of the product that is on my Shopify. I have all the variants of the product that are here. What else do I have? If, for example, I want to change, let's say, the title, I can do it. Let's say I want to write down just Backpack 1. So I'll name it Backpack 1. So Backpack 1 is here. Next thing I want to do is I want to add my product inside of a collection. So I want to add it inside of Backpack and Homepage. So as you can see, Homepage and Backpack have been added too. So what I'm going to do now is I will do the exact same thing for all of my products. Usually when I do this for the store of a client, what I do as well is I change the description. I don't keep the description as it is. So I'll suggest you guys to do this if you guys want to have, if you guys want to run your store. I suggest you guys to do this and change the description for each product that you guys push to your store. So what we'll do right now, we'll do the exact same thing for each product that we have. So right now we have our product backpack 1. We changed the name. We know that there is 3,000 products for 4 variants, and it's in our collection that is backpack, and our other collection that is homepage. So if we click on the backpack collection, we have only one product right now. So as I said, what we'll do now, we'll simply push all, we'll do the exact same thing for all of our products. All right, so when you guys have pushed all the products and modified all the products as you should have 8 products that have been created. So right now we have backpack 1 until 8. Maybe you guys have imported more product, maybe you have imported less products. It's not a big deal. What's very important is that you guys have put each product inside of the 2 collections that we created. In this case, homepage and backpack. It's no need to modify the description of each product. Once again, it's just a demo. So what we want to do now is look at our store, and you guys will see what it all looks like right now. So we'll click on our online store and go on customize. So as you can see, all the products have been imported to our store. So we have all our products. Right now, if we want to have more products inside of one row, in this case, we'll go on our featured collection and we can add more products. In this case, we'll have 4 products per row. If we want to have, let's say, I don't know, 5 products and only 1 row, it will look something like this. Once again, we decide how much products we have. Right now, we only have 8 products, so it's not really beautiful to look at, but like this, it's more presentable. So as you can see, guys, right now you have a very basic drop shipping store. Each time that someone buys one of your products, what's gonna happen is that the order will be processed through Oberlo. So you will receive here the order that just arrived. And what you will have to do is very simple. You will need to, well, accept the order. And from that moment, the order will be accepted. You will pay for the product, and then you will simply ship the product to your consumer. So basically, when someone passes an order, you'll receive the address of the consumer, you will receive all the information of the consumer. So this way you will be able to send him the product. So basically, if we talk about drop shipping, what is it? It's simply buying a product from a supplier and reselling the product at a higher price. So you never touch the product. It's an amazing way to make money, but once again, it all depends of the niche that you choose. So if you guys choose a very competitive niche and you do no promotion at all, well, you are not gonna make money necessarily, because once again, as I explained, drop shipping, if you want to succeed in drop shipping, you need to put a lot of times. You need to set up your Shopify store or any type of e-commerce store where you're gonna sell your product. You can sell your product on different marketplaces. For example, you can sell it on Amazon or eBay. Those are 2 marketplaces as well. So dropshipping honestly has a lot of potential, but once again, it all depends of you guys and of the niche that you guys will choose when you will work with when you will create your store. So until now, as I said, you have your basic Shopify store created, so you can navigate through your store, you can pass transactions through your store. So someone right now can come on your store and buy something. Everything is set up, and you guys can work right now with this store. So what I'll suggest you guys to do right now is, if you want to continue with backpacks, well, you can continue with backpacks. If you want to change a niche, you can just choose another niche where you will work with, well, where exactly you will work with the products that you want to work with.
Alright, so I hope you guys liked what you just saw until now. So as I said at the beginning of the video, you should right now have your very own Shopify store ready to run. So everything around the store should be ready. What I suggest you guys to do right now is really start improving the store. Once again, if you want to dropship, so right now you know what dropshipping is. So if you want to continue in this field, I can suggest you to really start improving your store, putting more add-ons in it, adding more products, or even deciding a good niche. If you guys want to change niches, you can choose another niche where you want to continue. But until now, you know absolutely everything about dropshipping. What you can do also is start doing a little bit of promotion. And if this is something that you guys really like, what I can say to you is just don't give up. You'll see it's not an easy field. If you want to run a successful Shopify store, you'll see it's not easy. Like everybody on the internet says, it's a lot of hard work. Nothing in life is easy. So it's a lot of hard work. But if you guys don't give up, I'm pretty sure that you guys will succeed.
So if you guys like this video, you can like the video once again if you liked it. If you have any comments about the video, you can write it down in the comment section. I answer pretty much quickly to the comments. Besides of that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you guys in another of my videos.